Suzuki Alto VXR 2004. Original budget family car, low price, ready to drive. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great today. If you are looking for a reliable, budget-friendly, and fuel-efficient car for daily use in Karachi, then today's car is going to be a great option for you. This vehicle is perfect for office use, family daily travel, ride-sharing, or anyone who wants a simple car with low maintenance and easy running costs. So make sure you watch this video till the end because this deal is really worth considering. Today, we are reviewing a Pak Suzuki Alto VXR, model 2004, and according to the owner, everything in this car is working fine. Let's start with the exterior condition. The car is outside showered, which means it has been repainted to give it a fresh and clean look. The paint job makes the car look neat and presentable on the road. If you want a car that looks clean and decent from the outside without spending extra money on paintwork, this is a good option for you. The body is straight, and the car looks well maintained for its model year. Now let's talk about the interior. The inside is fully original, which is a big plus point for buyers who prefer factory condition interiors. The seats, dashboard, and door panels are original and well maintained. The interior is clean and gives you a comfortable feeling while driving. If you are planning to use this car daily, the original interior will help you enjoy a simple, practical, and comfortable drive. The cabin is suitable for small families and daily city driving. Moving on to the engine and performance. The engine condition is good, and the car is running smoothly. This car is known for its simple engine setup and low maintenance. The gear shifting is smooth, and the car is easy to drive in city traffic. Whether you are driving in busy areas of Karachi or narrow streets, this car is easy to handle and park. The suspension is working properly and gives a comfortable ride on normal city roads. This is a practical car for people who want peace of mind in daily driving. One of the biggest advantages of this car is fuel economy. This car comes with factory-fitted CNG, and it is also LPG converted, which gives you multiple fuel options. In today's high fuel prices, having CNG and LPG options can save you a lot of money on daily running costs. You can easily switch between petrol, CNG, and LPG depending on availability and your budget. This makes the car very economical for daily use, office travel, and even small business use. Now let's talk about air conditioning. This car has factory-fitted AC, which is a very important feature in Karachi's hot weather. The AC is working and helps keep the cabin cool and comfortable. In summer, a working AC is not a luxury, it is a necessity. This car gives you comfort along with affordability. Another very important point is documentation. The car has complete documents, CPLC clear, original number plates, original token, and tax is clear. Biometric transfer is available, which means the ownership transfer process will be smooth and safe for the buyer. Many buyers face problems because of incomplete documents, but in this case, the paperwork is complete, so you can buy this car with confidence and peace of mind. The location of the car is FB Area Block 16, near Sagia Centre, Karachi. Buyers from Karachi can easily visit and inspect the car personally. We always recommend that you come, check the car yourself, take a test drive, and then make your final decision. Physical inspection is very important before buying any used car. Now let's talk about the demand. The final demand is 725,000 PKR. Considering the condition, complete documents, factory-fitted CNG, LPG conversion, and AC, this price is reasonable in today's market for a budget-friendly car. If you are looking for a car in this price range, this can be a good option for you. This car is best for people who want a low-cost, low-maintenance vehicle for daily use without any headache. Overall, this Pak Suzuki Alto VXR 2004 is a good choice for students, small families, office workers, and anyone who wants an economical city car. It is easy to drive, easy to maintain, and affordable in fuel consumption. The car is ready to drive and suitable for daily use. You don't need to invest extra money after buying it, which makes it a good value for money deal. If you are interested in this car, make sure to contact the seller through inbox or the contact details provided in the description. Do not forget to visit the location, inspect the car yourself, and take a proper test drive. If you like the car after checking everything, then you can proceed with the deal. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more daily car deals and honest reviews. Share this video with your friends who are looking for a budget car. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.